Hi everybody, my name is Liz. I live in Northeastern PA and I will be completing my field placement at a nonprofit organization located in Hazleton, PA. This agency provides all different kinds of services to our community. Some of them include counseling services, mental health services, pregnancy and maternal health program. We have a local food bank, and we also have a homeless shelter, which is where I will be completing my internship at. Some things I expect to learn from the field placement is just more about the homeless population. This is something I really didn't get to dive into yet with my work in social work yet, so it will be exciting to just learn about a whole new different population that I never really got to spend the time with. The only major concern I have right now is obviously the pandemic going on. Our homeless shelter right now does not have as many clients as it normally would. It usually can have a max of 20 people, and as of yesterday there was only 5 staying there, just due to some certain restrictions going on that were put in place by the county. But hopefully once this is all lifted, things will go back to normal, and I'll get to interact more with the clients and really get to learn more about them. One way that I plan to manage my concerns about COVID is just trying to stay positive throughout the whole situation and really utilizing the peer discussions and the time with my site supervisor just to really talk through any issues or concerns that I'm having. So good luck to everybody, and it will be nice working with you.